Hello students, let us see the problem. This problem says, find the coordinates of circumcenter for a given triangle whose vertices are 5 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Also find its radius. First of all, we should know what is a circumcenter. Circumcenter means a center for the circumcised. So here of the triangle given triangle is with the three vertices. All the three vertices are given. So for the three vertices, all the three vertices circumscribed by a circle. Then we call them circumcenter. It is better we take, okay, let us take a circle like this. We are taking a better circle only knowingly. Okay, now there are 3 points. Say this is 5 comma 1 minus 1 comma 5. Other one say 6 comma 6. I am taking randomly these numbers. Anywhere it can be. It need not be. I am not writing exactly as per the two-dimensional plane. I am just writing like this for example. All the three lying on this circle, then only if I join these three, this is a triangle. So finally this triangle is circumscribed by a circle. Then center of the circle is known as circumcenter. Circumcenter. Okay. Right. Circumcenter. The circumcenter, if it is center and all the three vertices are lying on the circle, means that this is the radius, this is also radius, this is also radius. So for a semicircle, radius is all radiuses are equal. So A is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. B is minus 1, 5. Call this as B. And call this as C. This is 6 comma 6. Okay. Now, we have to find out the coordinates of this. How can we find out? Let us call this as O. So OA is equal to OB is equal to OC because all three are radius. This is the radius. This is the radius. Radius distance is same for any circle. So OA, I'll take the squares because I can remove that square root sign. Now let me call the points coordinates of O or H comma K. Let us call that H comma K. Now, if I take distance from HK to A, that is H minus 5 whole square plus K minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square. This should be equal to this. That is H minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus K minus 5 whole square. Okay. So this we have to find out. This OA square equal to OB square. What is OB square? OB. That is H minus of minus 1. Now OA, OB we already done. Okay. Now we square it and see. Now we will solve it and see what will happen. H square plus 25 minus 10H plus K square plus 1 plus 2K. This is equal to H square plus 1 plus 2H plus K square plus 25 minus 10 H K. This is a common mistake everybody will do. Okay. So this H square will get away, this H square. This K square will go away, this K square. Now 25 plus 1, 26 plus minus 10H plus 2K equal to 2H minus 10K. 1 plus 25, 26. This 26 will go away. Minus 10H minus 2H, that is minus 12H. plus 2k minus 10k, it will become 10k equal to 0. Isn't that? That means minus 12h is equal to minus 12k. That means h is equal to k. This is equation 1. Now let us take OB and OC. Let us take OB. OB is how much? OB is h minus of minus 1 plus 1, h plus 1 whole square plus k minus 5 whole square. This should be equal to h minus 6 whole square plus k minus 6 whole square. If we simplify this, let us see what is going to happen. H square plus 1 plus 2h plus k square plus 25 minus 10k is equal to h square plus 36 minus 12h plus k square plus 36 minus 12k. Now, this h square will go away with h square. Same way k square also will go. And 1 plus 25, 26 here. Here 36 plus 36, 72. 2h here, 2h minus 12h. If it comes here, plus 12h, right? 12h plus 2h, 14h. Plus h is over. Now, okay, minus 10k, minus 12k. If it comes here, plus 12, 12 minus 10, 2k, plus 26 equal to 72. Okay, I'll write down here. Equal to 72. Okay, right. Now, finally, what I got here, 14h plus 2k is equal to 72 minus 26. How much was? This is 6. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3. Correct? 12 minus 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 46. Yeah. This is 46. So if I divide with 2 throughout, this is 7h plus k is equal to 23. That means we know we already have one equation before, that is h is equal to k. So put h is equal to k here, that is 7k plus k is equal to 23. 8k is equal to 23. It implies k is equal to 23 by 8. But h is also equal to k. So h is also equal to 23 by 8. Now the circumcenter coordinates are coordinates of circumcenter is 23 by 8, comma 23 by 8. Am I right? Okay. Now, with these coordinates, let us try to find out the distance. What is the radius? That is also being asked. Now, what is the radius? That also being asked. Radius means it can be OA, it can be OB, it can be OC. Right. Now, the C vertex coordinates are 6, 6. Let us see. OC, let us find out. O is this. Now we got it. This is O. Coordinate is, we are calling it as O. Or this is circumcenter. This OC is equal to distance between this and this. That is square root of 23 by 8 minus 6 whole square plus 23 by 8 minus 6 whole square. This is equal to square root of 8 6 are 48. 23 minus 48. 48, 23. If you take out 5, 4 minus 2, 25. 25, that is minus 25. Minus 25 by 8 whole square plus minus 25 by 8 whole square. If I simplify this, what I will get? Square root of 625 by 64 plus 625 by 64. So LCM is 64. This is 625. This is 1020, 1250, right? But this is under root. I have to take out the square root for this. Okay. So square root of 64 is 8. 1250, that is 625 into 2, no? Under root, that is 25. Root 2 is root 2 by 8. So this is radius. It is, once we know what is circumcenter and concept of circumcenter, and then this issue is very, very simple. The problem is very, very simple problem. If we understand what is circumcenter and properties of the circumcenter. Okay. Circumcenter, once again, please understand, circumcenter is nothing but, suppose if any object is circumscribed. In this case, a triangle is circumscribed. In some case, there can be a rectangle also can be circumscribed. A rhombus also, a trapezium also can be circumscribed. A pentagon also can be circumscribed. That means which will go through all the vertices. But in this case, it is only a triangle is circumscribed. Okay. Then when it is a circle circumscribed, all the vertices lying on the circle's circumference, then distance from any point on the circumference of the circle to radius is always equal. This is a simple concept in this problem. Hope you understand this problem. Thank you very much.